Fantastic progress so far. Now that we've covered the recruitment process, let's shift gears and talk about business development. In the context of IT recruitment, business development involves expanding your client base, building strong client relationships, and enhancing your agency's reputation in the market. 1. Identifying potential clients. The first step in business development is identifying potential clients. This could be companies that are expanding their IT teams, startups in need of IT talent, or even companies looking to outsource their IT recruitment. Research the market, follow industry news, and use your professional network to identify these potential clients. 2. Reaching out to potential clients. Once you've identified potential clients, the next step is to reach out to them. This could be through emails, phone calls, or even face-to-face meetings. The goal is to introduce your agency, showcase your expertise, and offer your recruitment services. 3. Building client relationships. Building strong relationships with your clients is crucial for business development. Understand their needs, provide excellent service, and maintain regular communication. A satisfied client can lead to repeat business and referrals. 4. Expanding your services. Don't limit your agency to just recruitment. Consider expanding your services to include things like IT consulting, training, or even career coaching. This can attract a wider range of clients and increase your revenue. 5. Promoting your agency. Last but not least, promote your agency. Use social media, content marketing, or even traditional advertising to increase your visibility and attract potential clients. Remember, your agency's reputation is your biggest asset. Remember, business development is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. It requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a customer-centric approach. So, are you ready to dive into the world of business development? Let's do it.